I have ordered some products of Free Culture and let's see. So I have got 2 utility pouches and I have ordered t-shirts also and vests also. So let me open first of all first pouch and then I'll be going for another one. So this is the pouch, Free Culture pouch. So I ordered some briefs also and I made video of the briefs also and posted on my this channel. So in description you'll find the link of the same. So these are vests. So the cloth of the vests is very soothing. It is very soft. I can feel its softness and the way they have made, I think this is wonderful. Color is also very good. It's gray and it's actually looking very good and I'm so excited to try it on. One is gray, another one, let me see which one will be there. So it is written trust yourself, the tag trust yourself, and it is from Free Culture. So this one is the gray one. So there is a huge cut here. I think this is going to be very comfortable. And the cloth, it's not cotton. They claim that this is bamboo, made of bamboo. So rest of the details you will find in the description with the link. So I think it is very soothing, very comfortable and very soothing, very soft. The rest I'll come to know when I try them on. And next one is white one. So I have tried 3 colors, 3 different colors. So this is white. You can see the big cut here and Free Culture tagging. Breath, you got this. So it is very soft. But the undergarment that I had ordered, they were more soft than this one. Although they claim that these are softer than the undergarments, like briefs. So this is another third one. And this color I found the better one and very good color. And again here you can see the Free Culture tagging, branding, and here another message, every day is a new day. Okay, but there is some problem here, like the stitching you can see it's not properly stitched, it is little torn kind of. So this is not done, this is absolutely not done. When somebody is spending a lot of money on the tees and vests and they are then giving this kind of finish. So this is the lag that I can see here. Like I hope you are all able to see here. This is not good, this is not done. And let me check other also. Yeah, it's fine here, completely fine, and it's also fine. Well, sometimes it happens, but they must check the quality before they send. So cloth wise I would say that this is perfectly all right, and design and style wise also I would say this is very good, and color is undoubtedly awesome. This one is the very good color, but there is a little problem in the stitching. So they must first of all check before they send the items. And now let us go for the t-shirts. So 2 t-shirts I have got. The very first one is blue one. So it's very vibrant color. Color is very vibrant. Here you'll get the branding of Free Culture. And color is undoubtedly very good, very vibrant, and here also you'll get the branding. And cloth is very soft, it's going to be very comfortable. And there is different kind of stitching here, if you can see. So very different kind of stitching in arms it is half stitched and some other clothing is also there inside, means here extra cut, so differently stitched. So I think it's going to be very comfortable in wearing, and rest I'll come to know when I wear it. So two colors I have got, one is blue one and another one is this one. I don't know exactly the name of this color, but this is very good color, very good. So we can see here, so cloth is very soft, undoubtedly it is very soft. I think this is worth buying, and whatever price they are taking, so they are giving the cloth accordingly, and in the description you will find the link. So one is this one, another one is blue one. Their colors are also very good and their stuff is undoubtedly awesome. The only problem I got is that in the vest there was some stitching problem. So you can like the video if you like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you have something to say about, then you can put it in the comment box. See you in the next video. We'll be doing some other things like this, so take care.